speaking of temperature, probably singing after ice cream or cold drinks is a very bad idea. Yeah. You don't want to do this.
You'll never see me drinking at cold water. I'm always drinking out of a flask. Even summer now, it's actually the start of autumn, but I'm always drinking lukewarm water or warm water to keep my vocal cords warm. Even when I'm not singing like now, I'm still doing that. I never drink cold water. And even alcohol. I don't drink cold alcohol, so you'll always see me out. If you see me out, buy me a red wine. But I'm never drinking. I'm never drinking cold water just for my vocal cords. Purely and simply, that's what it's for, 24/7. So that's just some dedication for you right there. You would never have seen me drinking out of a glass ever, unless I forgot my thermos. Staying hydrated is exceptionally important, guys, as well too. That's really important. If your vocal cords aren't hydrated, they are going to stick together and they're going to move properly. It's like if your mouth gets dry, it becomes very sticky and stuck. So
very phlegmy, very thick phlegm.
So staying hydrated is very, very important.